In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add or how you can get a Zoom link in Calendly. Alright, so this is very easy to do. And first you want to make sure you are signed in your account. And then we need to install Zoom integration in Calendly. So if I click on integrations and apps, you will see the Zoom as a first option. You want to click on it. And it's very easy to connect it. You just want to connect your Zoom account here. So currently I have my account connected, but it's really easy to connect it. You just have to select your account and it's going to be connected, and maybe you just need to allow some access to it, and that's basically it. And after this, after Zoom is connected, we can go to scheduling and we can create a new meeting. So I'm going to create, let's say, one-on-one, for example. We can name it like Zoom meeting test link, let's say, I don't know. Then we have to select location as in Zoom. So it's going to be Zoom meeting. So we can then obtain our Zoom link. All right. Click on create. And now we want to create it. So I'm going to open this window where we want to set the date for it. So let's say it's going to be today at 15 p.m. like this. Again, we can type Zoom test link. You can add guests from here. So here you want to type guest's email, because the Zoom link will be received or sent to emails, right? So here you want to type your emails to the persons who you want to share a Zoom link with. And then you're going to press schedule event. And a calendar invitation has been sent to your email address. So if I open my email address, you can see that the first thing is a Zoom test link over here. And from here, if I open it and I'm going to scroll a little bit, you can see that there is this Zoom link. So attendees can join this meeting from a computer, tablet, or smartphone. And also you can see the password for the Zoom room. So not everybody with this link can join it. So you can share this password with someone and this link. So if I open this link, it's going to show you join a meeting. And that's basically how you can add Zoom link in Calendly or share your Zoom link in Calendly. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.